Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wix Studio for responsive design workflows. Beginner. To get started with Wix Studio, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio website. Once you're on the site, click on the Start Now button to begin the sign-up process. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. For new users, fill in the required information to create your account. After entering your details, check your email for a confirmation link to verify your account. Click on the link in your email to complete the verification process. Return to the Wix Studio website and log in to your newly created account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Wix Studio dashboard. Review the available plans and choose one that best fits your needs. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your details and ensure everything is accurate. Once your payment information is entered, review all terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Now, click on the Confirm Purchase button to complete your subscription. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription was successful. Next, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Look for tutorials and resources available in the Wix Studio to help you get started. You can now begin creating responsive designs using the tools provided. Experiment with different templates and layouts to see what works best for you. As you become more comfortable with Wix Studio, explore advanced features to enhance your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.